Hey guys, hope everything is going well. You guys know that drill. Smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't, comment down below. Follow me on Instagram at AIH underscore sports. Follow me on my finance channel at AIH Finance. Okay, so today I wanted to touch base on the markets, stock market. You could look at sports cards. Sports cards, there's very bearish sentiment. And I've always said that, I want to buy during a recession, 2024, 2025. Now, when I was talking about a recession, this recession, that, some people used to come at me like, oh, you're negative and recession, where's the recession, right? Now, I see people that weren't talking about the recession talking about, hey, we could be in a recession. Look at the poor GDP numbers of Q1, and you see the stock market going down. And I'm just thinking, wait a second. So I'm seeing all of this, you know, and I'm thinking, okay, I'm still bullish on equity. This is not investment advice. I'm just thinking out loud. I'm still bullish on equities. We may have hit the bottom today. Today is Monday. And in regards to sports cards, I noticed a trend a couple of years ago. Must have been winter of 2018. I think the Jeter cards, like the SP 279, PSA 9, it bottomed out close to $3,000, and then it went to about $6,000 before 2020, and then you had the same thing again. Market went down, Jeter cards went down to a same level, about $3,000, and then it went all the way up to $27,000. And now I'm thinking, wait a second, you could be seeing a similar pattern where the Jeter card has taken a breather. I think last sale, if it was legit, was about $7,600. It's been in that range, somewhere between $7,000 to $9,000 the past few months, I believe. And there's a few auctions ending the next few days. Now, if the market were to bottom, stock market and also sports cards, then I believe in terms of cards, the higher end cards that have taken a significant beatdown will have a bounce. And I would say that it'd be more like a dead cat bounce. And I showed you the other video. It was called the bounce in quotation, not quotations, in question mark. I was talking about a potential market that goes up slightly, but it's not a market that I want to aggressively be buying, especially the high end. I told you my strategy about what type of slabs I'm buying. Just slabs basically under $50, right? And this is more of a long-term play unless I need the money. Said that numerous times. And I'm just looking at cards of quality players that have taken a beating. Like I said, SP 279, $7,600, I think, the last sale. You're looking at the Brady 236. I even saw a sale of $1,200. There's one, I believe, today, and it's probably less than $1,200. I have to double check what that actual sale price was, but that has taken a significant, not beatdown, but a significant correction since Brady's first retirement. And now, in this correction mode, I believe those that are flippers are probably going to take advantage of it, especially at this time. And I'm looking at other cards as well, maybe even Fleer 86. Now, the only issue with that is that there's a lot of volume with that, 320, but still, it's in the 220s, I believe, the PSA 10 or $230,000 range. Now, if the markets were to go up, I expect interest rates, the positive interest rates, negative interest rate situation, I think that would go back to negative. So over the past 6 months, you've gone from the 10-year yield you've gone from negative interest rates to positive interest rates. In positive interest rate environment, you tend to see, prices depressed in collectibles, commodities, etc. Now that hasn't happened with oil price, but that's because of the war, the geopolitical tensions overseas. Now, I'm just looking at the dollar index as well. Dollar index is really heated, right? 103 about. I believe that will take a breather. So, in my opinion, a weaker dollar combined with probably negative interest rates, I believe you may see some money go into the collectible space, particularly the higher end cars that have taken a beating, but it's a market that I'm not going to be chasing. I still want to see a full blown recession before I touch these cards. I do have one Brady 236 in my own collection. So, also, what I believe is going to happen is those individuals, like a lot of cards are down, those individuals that are looking for outperformance, right? They're going to bet on a player. I think this could potentially be a better time, assuming that it's not basketball. Other sports in the off season, you can find the player or prospect that will outperform. Okay, where cards are depressed, not depressed, cards have taken a beating. Well, I think this is an opportunity. Now, I'm not bullish long term. Let me get that straight. But whenever people say recession, 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 and they weren't really saying recession, recession, recession before, I'm like, okay, hold on a second. I do believe that that dead cat bounce is coming. Not investment advice. I'm not telling you what to do. But what do you guys think? And also, what are you guys doing? Are you guys playing the high end right now? Do you see any opportunities with, you could say, bearish sentiment, prices going down, stock market going down? Now, just because the stock market is bottoming out, or in my opinion, bottoming out, doesn't mean that card values will go up, okay? So, yeah, I just wanted to reiterate that. But I noticed this was the case in 2019 and 2020, so that trend be the same. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think. Smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't, comment down below, guys. Thank you. And I'm also going to be on Rolling with FD tonight. For those that catch it before 8 p.m. Central Time. Anyways, guys, I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye.